After watching this video, you'll be making $100 a day. Unity has made earning money so simple, and the best part, it's super easy for anyone to do. So stick around and let's dive into how you can start earning effortlessly today. Go to Unity's official website and click on the icon in the top right corner. Then select Go to Dashboard. On the next page, click Create Account and log in with your Google account. Once logged in, click the Skip button, click on the Products tab, and scroll down until you see the Monetization section. Select Unity Ads Monetization. Now, give your project a name and click Create. Scroll down again and click Unity Ads Monetization once more. Then press Launch. On the featured page, click Enable Ads and choose Private Individual. Enter your first name, last name, and country. Then, select I will use Unity Ads and continue. When you see My App is not live, select it, then click Add Project to finish. On the left sidebar, click Add Units to view your ad IDs for Apple and Android devices. Go to App Creator 24. Click Sign Up and fill in your name, country, email, and password. Enter the app name you used on Unity into this platform. Select an app icon from your gallery and write a description for your app. Then press Next. Choose your app style and proceed. Below, click Create an empty logo, then go to App Manager. Click the Section button and select the type of app you want to create. If you're creating a game, choose your desired game here. Turn off the user login option and save your settings. And go to the Ads section on the left side. Return to Unity and copy your Google Play ID, then paste it into the corresponding field on App Creator 24. Scroll down and paste it again where required. Go back to Unity and copy your banner ID, then paste it into App Creator 24. Repeat the process for your interstitial ID and rewarded ID, pasting each ID in the appropriate field. Save your progress. Click on the Download App button on App Creator 24. Use the QR code provided to download your app to your device. Now, every ad displayed in your app will earn you money. Party Popper.